Costco Canada Best Snacks 10 products review in 10 minutes. Costco is a gold mine, but it's also a minefield. You look at the back, looks healthy, right? Organic, plant-based. If you flip it and you look at the ingredients inside, are a recipe for inflammation. I have a snack later in this video that looks healthy, but it's actually doing the opposite of what you want for your gut and inflammation. Stay tuned for that. Hello, I'm Claudia, holistic nutritionist and hormone coach, and I help midlife ladies balance hormone, boost metabolism, and feel strong, lean, and confident in their bodies. Here on my channel, I share real-life solutions for fat loss in your 40s and 50s, things like smart Costco shopping tips, simple nutrition education, flexible and elevated meal plan ideas, and realistic ways to make healthy eating actually work with your busy life. Today we review 10 snack products in 10 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly what I put in my cart and snack on to stay lean and energized in my 50s. Alright, let's get into it. Number one on my list is the pear fruit rolls. If you check the ingredients, you will see it's just pears, apples, and strawberries. These rolls give you about 2 grams of fibers and are perfect for both kids and adults. Most fruit snacks use corn syrup and red dye 40. This is as clean as it gets. And if you are a mom, stop buying the fruit gummies for your kids in those big blue boxes. These rolls provide the same sweetness and they are much healthier for you and your kids, so you can snack on it because it keeps your insulin stable. I will give this a 10 out of 10 for a clean sweet fix. The second item on my list is the GoGo Squeeze Organic. Now these are the fruit pouches that you buy in a big box. I always buy organic because apples are part of the dirty dozen, so they are heavily sprayed with pesticides and can act as xenoestrogens. Those mimic estrogens and mess up with your hormonal balance. So my tip is to pair them because these are mostly carbs. To prevent a spike in your blood sugar, pair it with a handful of walnuts or some quality cheese. Remember, it's about balance, not just, having a snack. Let's talk crackers. I told you there was a snack to avoid, and this one breaks my heart because it is so close to being healthy. I see people grabbing the simple meal almond flour cracker all the time. They are tasty, but they are loaded with sunflower oil. Even organic, these oils are high in omega-6. We are getting too much omega-6 and not enough omega-3 in our diet, which can trigger systemic inflammation. If you feel puffy or you have joint pain, skip the seed oil. Plus, these oils are ultra processed. Imagine trying to get oil out of a tiny seed, like a piece of corn or a grape seed or even a sunflower seed. You cannot just squeeze it like you squeeze the olives. You have to use extreme heat and chemical solvents like hexane to get the oil out. By the time the oil gets into your cracker, it's already oxidized, which can create internal stress like inflammation in your body. Grab these Mary's organic crackers instead. If you look at the label, there is flax seeds and sesame seeds. There is no oil, just the whole seed. They are rich in lignin. For over 40s, these are incredible because they help bind the excess estrogen and move it out of the body. You are not eating a cracker, you are supporting your detoxification pathways. And at this price, it's a hormone health steal. They are crunchy, earthy, and the perfect vessel for a healthy dip. Stay with me because it's coming. Number 4 is the Holy Guacamole, the organic cups. These are the individual serving. Healthy fats are the anchor for your metabolism. Clinical studies shows that adding half of an avocado to a meal can significantly increase satiety and reduce the insulin response of that meal. By dipping your Mary crackers into this guac, you are using healthy fats to slow down the digestion of the carbs. That's a perfect combination. This is how you avoid the 3 p.m. energy crash, and you will feel the difference in your focus. Now, number 5 are the frozen berries, like blueberries or raspberries. Don't pass the freezers when you are at Costco. While blueberries have twice the antioxidants of a regular blueberry, I use frozen berries in my morning smoothie. I mix 1 cup of frozen berries, 1 teaspoon of amla powder for massive vitamin C boost, 1 scoop grass-fed collagen. I blend it and enjoy it. Frozen fruits are picked at the peak of nutrition, whereas the fresh berries have often been sitting on a truck for a week. Save your money and get the frozen bag. it's a nutritional win. So you are getting a month worth of antioxidants in this frozen bag for the price of one fancy smoothie at a cafe. Quick reminder, if these Costco breakdowns help you shop smarter, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can get the help as well. So let's get back to the snack list. Number 6 on my list is the perfect bar, the organic protein bar. This is one of my favorites. Yes, they have honey and peanut butter, but they also have about 15 grams of proteins, and they are delicious. And as we hit our 40s, we need proteins at every single snack to support the muscle health. Now, this bar uses whole food powders like kale and pumpkin instead of soy protein isolate. You know, I take an anti-inflammatory and protein smart eating approach to nutrition, and I'm all for adding more proteins to my diet. I take every chance I get to incorporate delicious high proteins food wherever I can. Because they are real food, you have to keep them in the fridge. They don't live in your purse. They will melt in your bag actually. That it's a quality sign, and it means that it's not loaded with chemicals and emulsifier. Unfortunately, you cannot carry around this bar, but use it when you are home. It's delicious. Number 7 are these grass-fed beef sticks. If you struggle with snacking while you are cooking dinner, you need this. Most sticks have brown sugar and yeast extract, which is a hidden MSG, but these are clean. And I know it's very hard to find clean one. One stick has 5 grams of protein. 2 of these will shut off your hunger better than any bag of chips ever could. It's pure fuel, so you have to try it. Then I have the NaturSource Almonds. So these small pouches, if you look at the label, they only have olive oil and sea salt. You have to try it. Most nuts are roasted in cheap canola oil. The small pouch is the perfect snack to carry in your purse. If you are around the house, you can actually snack on real olives. Now, these olives are a total hidden gem at Costco Canada. Asaro organic Castelvetrano green olives from Italy. They are the heart of Sicily, and if you haven't tried them, they taste more like butter than a typical salty olive. This delicate flavor that makes it the most sought after olives in the whole world. They are hand-picked and cured in brine. You can really taste the quality olives in them. No wonder I love this for the 3 p.m. slump. Most people reach for the caffeine. I want you to reach for oleic acid. It's the primary fat in these olives. It fuels your brain cells. Your brain is actually made of about 60% fat. When you feel foggy, your brain is often just hungry for the right kind of fuel. If you get brain fog, skip the crackers and grab 5 of these olives instead. And last item on my list are made with local protein cookies. These aren't your typical dry, chalky protein bars or protein cookies. These are soft, chewy, and made with real honey and almond butter. There is 60 grams of proteins and 10 grams of fiber. In the world of nutrition, that fiber to protein ratio is the holy grail for gut health and staying full. That is huge. This fiber acts like a safety net, keeping your energy smooth and your tummy full until dinner. These use sustainable ingredients, no seed oil and no soy. It's basically a homemade cookie, but with the macros of a professional meal. Alright, that's my snack review of 10 products in about 10 minutes. If you are into healthy, clean eating like me, you already know that not every Costco deal or every Costco product is created equal. You need to decode the labels, check the website under various categories, and visit the darker corners in the store to find these items. Luckily, I've done that for you. I'm building a community of women who are into healthy, clean eating. If you want to join me, like this video and hit that subscribe button. It's the easiest way to support this channel so I can keep doing these deep dives for you. If you enjoy this video, I hope I will get a thumbs up and share with your friends. So when you know what you look for, you can eat really clean without spending a fortune, and you will be able to reach your health goals. You just need to choose wisely. If you want help learning how to create meals that make you feel good, have more energy, better digestion, and support your weight loss, head to my website, claudiaholisticliving.com. Everything I teach there is built around real food and keeping things simple. And if you want my Costco 2026 favorites, check out this video right here. Keep it simple, keep it real, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!